तो जय में मल गसीट खाना का थैंक यू
in which we prepare it at the home, perform a decoction, and it works as an immunobooster for the patient, especially in the times.
सर मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ आयुष की एडवाइजरी भी थी
Sir,
दिस वी हैव बहुत अच्छा काम है आप सब लोगों ने तो कोविड Ayurveda, particularly and having this Hizama and Yunani, these are two pieces of
used in Ayurveda. This is also written in older books of Ayurveda as cupping, known as rectal motion, under rectal motion. Where leaf therapy is also being done. That's also written in there. But mostly this therapy.
स्पीच निकाल के लोग ट्रीटमेंट करते हैं
yes, sir.
उसके बाद ही प्रॉब्लम तो रहता है और फिजियोथेरेपी बंद करने से उसमें फिर से चल
Yes, sir.
थोड़े पुराना ये सही आयुष है ये तो एलोपैथी तो अंग्रेज लोग हैं 200 ईयर्स में डाले अच्छा होगा उसका सुनको आपको नेक्स्ट डे आप तो हर पेशेंट के पास हम लेकिन हर गांव में 3-4 लोग ऐसे 2 लेडीज 2 जेंट्स ऐसे रेडी
Western world. There was inconsistent. Now we'll proceed with the pinning of rosettes to the dignitary. Minister of State, Ministry of Ayush, Government of India. We also role in the sustenance and nourishment of Ayush will always be remembered.
Minister of Ayush, Government of India. In the UT of J&K with regard to Ayush, we are having primary, secondary and tertiary setup. Sir, at the primary level, we are having 571 Ayush dispensaries which have been upgraded, which have been approved for upgradation as Ayush Health and Wellness Centers, sir. But out of that, these are being done in a phased manner. 194 have been approved. Out of this, 170 have been operationalized. Sir, yesterday I was telling you that the unique features of allopathic health and wellness, Ayush Health and Wellness Centers over allopathic health and wellness center is this, that sir, first of all, our Ayush Health and Wellness Centers are recent in the month, we celebrated IDY. So what I found that the enthusiasm and the hard work which Kashmir had done with regard to yoga and the yogasanas and pranayams which are now prevalent in the Kashmir division, I think Jammu has gone back, sir, and backbench, sir. So ours is the strength of this yoga component also. Over and above this are this Ayush Health and Wellness Centers over this. Sir, now you will see that these are 160 which I mentioned in the slide. Imran, sir, these are branded, sir. Here in this additionally over and above the dispensary, we are having additional instruments, equipment, components. In addition to that, IT enabling has also been done. Our doctors and paramedics have been trained also, sir. Sir, with regard to this Prakriti and Visage determination, our doctors are working in this regard for the last 6 months. ISA Institute, National Institute has been instrumental. We have done MOU with them. They have trained our this yoga instructors, sir. Here in this regard with the CHOs also, sir, all the districts we created master trainers, and in all the districts, sir, this branding, most of my thing out of 194, 160, more than 160 branding has been done, sir. This, sir, model, our last chief secretary, Subramanian sir also projected it and highlighted it everywhere that this is a big thing that Ayush has reached to, because our dispensaries are at inaccessible and hard to reach area. So this sort of facility, that wheresoever there is a herbal garden, there is a IT strengthening, there is a instrument strengthening, and in addition to that, sir, there is infrastructure strengthening also. Wherever there was no washroom for females, we have added that. We have created a yoga also, sir. So in this way, sir, at the primary level, sir, we are doing a lot for the last 2 years, sir. Then at the secondary level, sir, Ayush sector, because we were having very few standalone hospitals, sir, at district levels. So, sir, then, sir, at the tertiary level, we were already having one Ayurvedic hospital standalone at Jammu and one Unani hospital at Kashmir, Srinagar, Shaltan, Srinagar. Now, with the establishment of government medical, Ayurvedic Medical College Jammu and government Unani Medical. J&K is one place. Ministry of Ayush, Government of India has asked Jammu, sir. Then, sir, this has been submitted to Ministry of Ayush, and we were being provided some nodal district collection center, one storage ground, one seed germplasm, and one model nursery. Sir, help of the concerned Deputy Commissioner from wire seller meet we will convene, so that our cultivator, our farmer, whosoever will grow those, cultivate those medicines, he should be able to sell it at optimum price, sir. So we are working in this context, and tomorrow, sir, there is a lecture in the Unani College with this Ayush Aapke Dwar, so we will discuss in detail there, sir. Then, sir, here I would like to request you, here J&K, we were having Unani College in private setup, we were having Ayurvedic College in private setup, but we have established both in public setup also, Unani College also, Ayurvedic College also, but we don't have a homeopathic college for which we have identified land at Jammu, almost 57 crores in the Patua district. Here my request is this, sir, let it be, the college may be sanctioned after 6 months, but at least if we get the commitment, the land will come to us, otherwise some industrialists will go ahead, our land will go, sir. Because we have identified the land, we have worked a lot, we have prepared the papers, but government will not transfer land in our name until and unless we are having some commitment from Ministry of Ayush, Government of India, sir. This is the one area where we need your support, sir. Then, sir, we have done MOUs with the SCAST, Jammu, SCAST Kashmir for technical expertise. We have done MOU with IIIM also. Sir, with regard to this herbal gardens, we have done convergence with the Director School Education Jammu, Director School Education Kashmir, sir. Then, sir, with regard to Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, then your honorable sir was telling Bike Break app. We came with this idea that Bike Break app, no doubt we will advertise, we will do IEC, we will make people understand, but everybody may not be able to download it or may not be using it, even a commoner. So we have, sir, prepared on the analogy of the Bike Break app of the Government of India, we have prepared our video with certain translation also, little addition, subtraction, so that we would like to popularize it through social media, so that it should reach to each and every household of our people, so that as you were advising us, sir, that Bike Break is a big energy booster rather. So we would like that this should be during this week, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, this magic week, we will, sir, start it, sir. Then, sir, homeopathy, yoga, and streams have grown a lot, but, sir, with regard to paramedical staff, you being a doctor, better understand that if we will not have a paramedic sport, we will not be able to work much. So, sir, here there was some old training, somewhere people were saying we are Ayurvedic pharmacists, somewhere it was Unani pharmacists, Unani was telling I don't know these drugs. So sir, for the last 1 year we have converted with the health department in AMT schools of all the districts of the UT of J. We have got sanctioned 10 seats, and at the divisional level we have got 20 seats in each AMT and ANMT schools of the UT of J&K. And with this we have introduced a comprehensive syllabus which is having component of Ayurveda, which is having component of Unani, which is having component of Yoga, which is having component of Sovaritva, even because in Kishtwar district there is one area where this Sovaritva is also being practiced. So here sir, we have done this, has been appreciated a lot by the Ministry of Ayush Government of India, that this is a one step which we have done in the UT of J&K sir. Similarly sir, with regard to the male and female yoga instructors in each and every sir, instructors, those who are locally available, those who are, this tracking system will go sir, our doctors will have it better and assess, and at least certain regulations we can ask somebody. UT of sir is doing well, but regarding this sir, Back to Village program, Back to Village is one of the innovative programs of the UT of J&K where all the duty commissioners are involved sir. Sir, in many districts, especially in Kashmir division, it has been projected, it has been emphasized. I got hundreds of phone calls that we need Ayush dispensaries. So my request to you is this sir, under NAM at least 10 Ayush dispensaries per district should be given. That will be my request sir. Because the time is very short, we are having a lot of areas to tell, but sir, as time is short, I am thankful to you sir, because we are lucky that you are here sir, especially we are lucky that Dr. Bhavna is here. It is a matter of pride and privilege for us that I think the real integration of allopathy and Ayush has happened now sir. So it will start from there. So this will be a wonderful model sir. Thank you sir, thanks a lot sir.
And lifestyle disorders, musculoskeletal disorders, and other chronic disease. As a result, healthcare delivery system has changed for the globe. As reported from WHO, the mortality rate due to NCD, non-communicable diseases, and other lifestyle disorders is 60%.
Is significantly with lease therapy. In conclusion, application for at least 3 months of lease improved function, ability, and joint impress. Since the time is short, I will go through these. These are the many papers which has been in which this effect has been shown. So here is lost part. It has also shown efficacy in case of these this ulcers, chronic ulcers. Change the slide. Which where it has shown the patient had chronic ulcer in both the legs, advised for amputation, was healed by lease therapy in the urine. Some of the pictures are there. This was the first day. You can see the way before treatment. Then you can see lease therapy, and then you can see the granulation tissue changing, showing blood improvement. And this was after 6 months. You can see the improvement to a large extent, sir. Now, concluding, sir, Ayurveda, Unani, homeopathy, and yoga and naturopathy to validate and to prove efficacy of these therapies on different.
Dedication and sincerity is the best combination to achieve the heart's desire. These words aptly describe our chief guest for today's event, who by his presence has added a scintillating effect to this event. Having proven himself as an exceptional leader, his work in the field of medical science is par excellence. We are fortunate enough that this epitome of simplicity and humility has graced today's occasion. Sir, your dedication in serving the humanity is exemplary. The relief you have been bringing to the ailing masses of the society deliberates your concern in the upliftment of health sector. I feel immensely elated to announce that our chief guest for today's event, Dr. Munchpara Mahendrabai, Honorable Minister of State for Ministry of Women and Child Development and Ministry of Ayush, Government of India, has pursued MD in General Medicine and Therapeutics from Shrimati NHL Municipal Medical College, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. It is our good fortune.
का नाम नहीं पता, लेकिन ये डॉक्टर इरफान है, उसने कहा वो थॉट, उसको जो लगता है उसको उसी पीड़ा होगा, इतनी प्रिपरेशन की है, एक छोटा मोटा पेपर नहीं, बहुत बड़ा पेपर है, इसके लिए काफी रेफरेंस देखने पड़ते हैं, काफी पेशेंट को डेली रिव्यू करना पड़ता है, बाद में ये पेपर प्रेजेंट करते हैं, और पेपर प्रेजेंट करने के बाद भी काफी लोग क्वेश्चन भी पूछते हैं कि ये तो एलोपैथी का सब्जेक्ट और आपने क्यों ले लिया, और आपको रिजल्ट बताओ, और जा के बात के क्वेश्चन भी पूछते हैं, और अप टू 24x फॉर वन जैसी हॉस्पिटल, और काफी डॉक्टर तो वहाँ पर डे मोर देन 20 नी रिप्लेसमेंट करते हैं पर डे, उसकी आप आमदनी देखो। तो एक बार ये इरफान का ये पेपर एस्टैब्लिश अच्छी तरह से हो जाए तो मैं आपको एक खरेखर गौर से प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि ये रियल लोगों को काफी खर्च में से बाहर निकल जाएंगे।
साइड में तो एक छोटा सा डिपार्टमेंट मेरे दोस्त मोहन सिंह से अलग दे देंगे, फर्स्ट और सेकंड को कोई पेशेंट जाएगा ही नहीं। इसलिए जो रूटीन मेडिसिन चलता है, रूटीन सर्जरी चलता है, रूटीन पीडियाट्रिक चलता है, वहीं एक ओपीडी आयुष का, जैसे यहाँ जम्मू में तो आपका यूनानी का 100% आपका एक ओपीडी बनेगा, ऐसा मोदी जी का एक सपना है और ये साकार भी होगा। दूसरा मेरा तो पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस है कि अभी कोविड टाइम गया 1.5 साल 2 साल, अपने पास इतने एमबीबीएस डॉक्टर भी नहीं थे, इतने एमडी डॉक्टर भी नहीं थे, इतने रेस्पिरेटरी स्पेशलिस्ट भी नहीं थे। उस वक्त सबसे ज्यादा और सबसे अच्छा काम किया हो तो अपने आयुष डॉक्टर ने किया। इसका मैं पर्सनल विटनेस हूँ, मैंने भी काफी पेशेंट कोविड के देखे, मिनिस्टर तो अभी 3 महीने पहले ही बना, लेकिन उसके पहले मैं हॉस्पिटल में कंसल्टिंग भी कर रहा। 150-160 पेशेंट के बीच में अपने आयुष डॉक्टर जो कोविड केयर सेंटर था उसमें तो कैसे ऐसे बेड ही लगा देते, बस जो आया बेड लगा दो। इसके बीच में जब हम घर में जाते थे तो घर में हमारे घर वाले भी बोलते कि पीछे डोर से आओ क्योंकि हमको इन्फेक्शन ना लग जाए। पीछे डोर से वहां से डायरेक्ट बाथरूम में जाओ, स्नान करके बाद में एंटर कर घर में एंट्री लो। उस वक्त अपने आयुष डॉक्टर ने ये 150 पेशेंट के बीच में बैठ के ये सब पेशेंट को ठीक किया है। और कोरोना के लिए कोई स्पेशल थेरेपी तो था ही नहीं, कोई एलोपैथी में भी नहीं था, कोई दूसरी सिस्टम। उस वक्त हमारे जो आयुष की इम्यूनिटी बूस्टर है सबने प्रिवेंटिव में भी अच्छा रोल किया है, और फर्स्ट स्टेज और सेकंड स्टेज का कोविड उसमें भी काफी अच्छा रोल किया है। मैं आपको सिंपल एग्जांपल दूं तो एक आयुर्वेद की आयुष 64 मेडिसिन आती है, आयुष
अभी है सर,
तो वो हमने दिल्ली पुलिस को काफी पुलिस को, वो कितना पुलिस के एग्जैक्ट मेरे को नंबर नहीं है, दिल्ली पुलिस को भी हमने आयुष 64 2 बीडी 2 सुबह 2 शाम जैसे कुछ डोज दिया था। और कंपेरेटिवली आप बॉम्बे पुलिस को देखो तो दिल्ली पुलिस में मोर्टालिटी रेट एकदम कम, जो पोस्ट कोविड मोर्टेलिटी रेट होगा जो 1.2% से रहा, और वैसे सामने आप बॉम्बे पुलिस का देखो तो उससे 10 गुना ज्यादा है। तो अपना ये आयुष का बहुत अच्छा रोल रहा है इस वक्त में। और ये अपना यूनानी सिस्टम है वो तो अपने ग्रीक टाइम से आ रहा है, लेकिन नया सिस्टम तो है ही नहीं। और ये एलोपैथी तो सब अंग्रेज लोग रहा है, उससे पहले हम कोई आयुर्वेदिक का कर रहा है, कोई होम्योपैथिक कर रहा था, कोई यूनानी, कोई सिद्धा, वो सब कर रहे थे। और उसके रिसर्च हमारी मैं एलोपैथी का डॉक्टर पर हमारी टेक्स्ट बुक ऑफ मेडिसिन उसमें भी काफी उसका मेंशन है। हमारी फार्माकोलॉजी बुक में भी ये सब कपिंग और सब ये हिजाब वो है, वो सब हमारे बुक में लिखा हुआ है कि पहले ऐसे ट्रीटमेंट करते थे, उससे पेशेंट थे, वो सब हमारे बुक में लिखा है। लेकिन होता क्या है कि आयुर्वेदिक और एलोपैथी दो अलग अलग ऐसे जो दुश्मन होते हैं ऐसे ऐसे रहते हैं। लेकिन अपना यूनानी है ये रीजन में है, लेकिन पूरा सब जो अपना इंडियन सब कंट्री है, साउथ इंडिया है, उसमें तो उसका बहुत अच्छा प्रचार और प्रसार है। और मनमोहन सिंह मोहन सिंह जी भूल गए, मेरा सन और डॉटर का नाम भी आयुष और आयुष ही है। आयुष से पहले से लगा हुआ है। Ayush on the wall and Unani system of medicine in particular is a time-tested and age-old system of medicine popular in both rural and urban areas all over India. However, much effort has to be put forth to bring this medicine on the forefront of human healthcare. At present, Unani system of medicine with its own recognized practitioners, hospitals, educational and research institutes forms an integral part of the national healthcare delivery system. Unani system of medicine is science of life, a system of health and medicine which aims to assist people in living a healthy life. It provides knowledge of how to live longer and healthier life. The UT of Jammu and Kashmir leads the way in tremendous acceptability of Unani system among the masses with more than 1,000 doctors and highly advanced infrastructure in government setup. The fruit of the effort put in by Director of Ayush, Jammu and Kashmir, promote Ayush among the general masses. The Unani system of medicine like Ayurveda not only treats through medicine but also cures the ailments by specialized therapy, known regimental therapy of Unani. Just हमने अभी देखा है वैसा है. Regimental therapy, Ilaj Bill Tedbeer, is one of the most popular methods of treatment practiced by ancient Unani scholars since antiquity. It is basically application of certain special technique or physical method of treatment to improve the constitution of body by removing waste materials, improving the defense mechanism of the body, improve metabolism, and alleviate any stress-related disorder, thus providing complete wellness to the body. अभी हमने ये सब देखा. In other words, regimental therapy, Ilaj Bill Tedbeer are most non-medicinal technique or procedure by which Unani physician motivate the patient's habitat, lifestyle, and dietary habits of the patient. These regimen are actually based on theory of evacuation of morbid humors from body. According to Unani concept, these morbid humors are basically responsible for onset of the disease. As soon as these morbid humors are removed from the body by applying some regimen, normal health gets restored. और अभी इरफान जी ने और पहले और दिखा दिया कि सब ये फास्ट है, हिजामत है, इधर बाउल है, तरक्की को सब आपको तो मेरे से ज़्यादा जानते हैं. और अभी हमने डेमो किया कपिंग थेरेपी, प्रैक्टिकली डेमोस्ट्रेट किया. कपिंग थेरेपी Ijma is an ancient method of treatment that has been used in treatment of broad range of conditions. Cupping therapy might be trendy now, but it's now new. But not new. It dates back to ancient Egyptian, Chinese, and Middle East culture. जैसे अभी आगे बता दिया. One of the oldest medicinal textbook in the world. The Epsom's papyrus describe how the ancient Egyptian used cupping therapy in 1550 before Christ. Cupping is method of relieving local congestion by applying a partial vacuum which create in a cup or cups either by heat or by suction. As a result, drains excess fluid and toxin in that area, loosen the adhesions, leaves connective tissue and boring blood flow to stagnant skin and muscles and helps release. However, dry and wet cupping are the two main types. Dry cupping pulls the skin into the cup without scarification, while wet cupping the skin is lacerated so that blood is drawn into the cup. Cupping therapy has been used efficiently for health promotion, preventive, and therapeutic purpose. Cupping therapy has reported benefit in the treatment of low back pain, neck and shoulder pain, headache and migraine, knee pain, hypertension, diabetes, rheumatoid arthritis, and bronchial asthma. These diseases can be categorized into musculoskeletal disease, systemic disease, etc. All practitioners and therapists practicing cupping therapies any surgical procedure in Ayurveda or Unani must have appropriate training and follow appropriate cross-infection control procedure to ensure a safe and hygienic environment for themselves, their colleague and अभी हमने वहाँ एक्सप्लेन किया था कि कैसे आएगी कभी जो नए डिजीज आ गए HIV आएगा, हेपेटाइटिस B हो, C है, वो ट्रांसमिटेड सब डिजीज है, तो उसे अभी तो कोरोना का टेस्ट भी कंपल्सरी बन गया, लेकिन अभी तो कोरोना कम हो गए. The camp on cupping therapy at Dak Bungalow, Baramulla, along with any camps organized in future, should not only act to be curative and palliative method for treatment purpose, but should also form a basis of research with regard to efficacy of Ayush medicine and its therapy in various disorders, utilizing the data which shall emerge through these camps. This will not only promote the Ayush among the general masses, but will provide mass acceptability of these group therapies worldwide. In conclusion, before conclusion, I always respect to one Unani physician, Hakim Ajmal Khan. I have also highly regards with him, and he develops most of the trials. He was a real scientist. In the conclusion, quoting few lines of wisdom of Hakim Ajmal Khan, who was most concerned about the preservation of traditional indigenous Indian science, culture and learning, and defending it against the decaying influence of Western Townism and the British Raj. Although the sun of Eastern arts and science kept rising in its own time, and many nations drew benefit from its light, now that sun has declined and the age as is its habit has given birth to a new sun that fulfills the needs of the people of the age. The result of this reversal, which previous nations have already endured, will happen to us. We will see our former greatness and glory in the hand of oblivion if we do not take thought it preserve. और अभी आप सबने सुना कि अपना योग तो करीब अबाउट 180 कंट्रीज ने एक्सेप्ट कर लिया है. 180, तो ऐसे यूनानी भी बहुत अच्छा ट्रेडिशन है, बहुत अच्छा, लेकिन उसका प्रचार कम है. मैं आपको साफ बता दूं, हमारे गुजरात में यूनानी का नियर 0 इतना है. ये इतना अच्छा मेडिसिन है, ये देखो, ये ईरान में जा सकता है, अफगानिस्तान में जा सकता है, दूसरे देशों में जा सकता है, ये गुजरात में क्यों नहीं आ सकता? तो हम पूरा इंडिया में अपना यूनानी सिस्टम है वो डेवलप करना चाहते हैं, और उसके लिए जो भी कुछ जरूरत है हमारा मंत्रालय की ओर से हम ऑलवेज सपोर्ट करेंगे. और अभी डायरेक्टर साहब, इनका डायरेक्टर साहब ने काफ़ी हमें जो बोला कि 10 डिस्पेंसरी हमारे बारामूला में चाहिए, और वाइबुक ब्रिक भी उसका भी जो कुछ चाहिए मटेरियल, कुछ नेशनल रेगुलेटरी सिस्टम है उसके बारे में बोला. उस सब के बारे में मैं काम करूँगा और जल्दी से जल्दी आपको सबको न्याय मिलेगा.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir. Your word, Sajjad Hussain Shuja, Assistant Director, Unani, Ayush JNK, to present the.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. By Honorable Minister of State for Women and Child Development and Minister of State for Ayush, Government of India. From you, and your thoughts are to Bhupinder Kumar ji for his cooperation he has provided always.
Here we do have this, but we have only 3 steps. Where we, our doctors.
लेकिन आप लोगों ने तो दिल ही जीत लिया मेरा. 2 दिन से इतना हैप्पी हूँ मैं.
This event. Thank you, ma'am.